Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can exchange players in FIFA Mobile. So in order to exchange players, first of all you have to finish the kickoff tutorial. Kickoff tutorial is going to automatically happen as soon as you start the game, and you need to finish the both beginner, intermediate and also the expert. As soon as exchange is unlocked, you press the exchange button. And here you're going to find a exchange card that you want to exchange. Let's go maybe fantasy or UCL 2022 to 2023. Let's go with the 103 plus. And here you're going to need 101 to 102 overrated UCL players. And you're going to need 8 of these. Okay. Especially same if you want to go foundation and you want to do a base icon pack or a skill boost or for 50,000 coins. There are different requirements for every single one, and this is how you exchange players in FIFA Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.